Welcome back, MadFam 636 and beyond. What are secret missions? Why do they matter? Day 2. Dispatch your trade trucks. Perform one secret legendary secret task. Secret tasks are right here. We're going to go for the yellows / orange, whatever color. Do not use these. And wait till after the points start populating. What I mean is, when you see points on this, it's go time. And then the secret and the legendary trucks are right here. You're going to want to go here and then do the yellow trucks only. You want to look for loot that has these right here, trade contracts for the trucks. These right here, secret orders to refresh, to grab and refresh your secret tasks for legendary. If you have any questions, drop them below. Maximize, achieve, dominate. See you on the battlefield.